Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise. See here, today we are going to revise environmental studies. So from the first, what we have learned, we are going to revise now. So now you have to tell me the answers, okay? Name the sense organs. Name the sense organs. How many sense organs are there? How many sense organs are there? Yes, there are 5 sense organs. Okay, name the 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs are there, and you have to name them one by one. And you have to name them one by one. So first, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Okay, children? So name the sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, 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 and skin. Okay, these are the 5 sense organs. Okay, now what is the use of the eyes? What is the use of the eyes? So eyes is used for seeing. Eyes for seeing. What is the use of eyes? Eyes is used for seeing. I am seeing you. You are seeing me. No, with which organ we are seeing? With which organ we are seeing, children? With the eyes. Okay. So we see with our eyes. I can see you. You can see me. So we see with our eyes. Okay. Ears. Okay. What is the use of the ears? We can hear. We can hear with the help of the ears. Okay. See here. See, now I am telling you many things. I am teaching you. So how can you hear? With the help of the ears, you can hear everything. So ears is used for hearing. Okay. Now nose. What is the use of the nose? This is one sense organ. What is the use of the nose? We can smell. Yes, we can smell the food items. We can smell the uh, what to tell, flavors, other the sweet. 1 minute. See here, we can smell sweet smell, then dirty smell. We can use this nose. We can use this nose to smell the things. Okay, it is used for smelling. Okay, now tongue. See here, tongue. What is the use of the tongue? Okay, we taste the food items with the use of the tongue. What is the use of the tongue? We taste the food items with the use of the tongue. And what is the use of the skin? We can feel it. We can feel. So if some hot objects, if you touch some hot objects, you feel the hotness. Hot idain todumbodhu sudum. So you can feel the hot, feel it. With the help of the skin, you can feel it. Okay, we can feel this coldness, hot, everything with the help of the skin. So how many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. So eyes is used for seeing, ears is used for hearing, nose for smelling, tongue for taste, skin for feeling. Okay, these are the 5 sense organs we have learnt. Okay, now see, you have to revise all these pages. See here, sense organs, smell, hear, taste, feel. You have to revise all these pages. Okay, children? Now, food items. Now we are coming to the food items. So, see here, food. So, what is Why do we eat food, children? Why do we eat food? So we eat food to live. So we eat food. So if we want to live means we have to eat food. There are two types of food, healthy food and unhealthy food. Healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay. Healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay. Now see here in this page, we have already done many exercises. Page number 6. There you have many types of food are there. So you have to circle. So you have to know, you must know which are the healthy food. Vegetables, fruits, milk. Okay, these are all healthy food items. And unhealthy food items, pizza, burger, ice cream. Okay, these are all unhealthy food items. So you have to learn, you have to know which are the healthy food items and which are unhealthy for us. Okay, healthy food, unhealthy food. Okay, milk, vegetables, fruits. Okay, fruits. Here, ice cream, unhealthy. Ice cream, burger, pizza, everything are unhealthy. Okay, you have to name them. Next, what type of food item means? See here, food which we get from plants. Food which we get from animals. So, see here, name the food items. Name the food items that we get from plants. So, see here, food items are of two types. Food items that we get from plant. Plant la irundhu varra food item. Animals la irundhu varra food items. Okay. So, now tell me the food items which you get from plants. So, plants la irundhu enna food items varum namakku. Okay. Now animals. From animals, what do you get? Name the food items from animal. Fish. So fish, it's an animal food item. Egg. Egg we get from animal. Milk. These are all healthy food items we get from animals. Okay. Meat food items. See here, food items. First, there are two types of food items, healthy and unhealthy. And next, food which we get from plants and food which we get from animals. Plantல இருந்து கிடைக்கிற food items, animalsல இருந்து கிடைக்கிற food items. So, from plants we get, plantsல இருந்து என்னெல்லாம் வருது? Food item, vegetables, fruits. Animalsல இருந்து என்னெல்லாம் வருது? Fish, egg, milk, meat. These are all the food items. So that only it is in page number 6 and 7. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are all plant food items, animal food items. Okay, this also you have to revise. Revise everything. Now next is here air. We learned air. See here air. Air na enadhu kaathu. Where do you see air? Air is everywhere. Air is everywhere. Okay. Can you see air? We cannot see air. பார்க்க முடியாது, but you can feel it. Okay, you can feel it. You cannot see air, but you can feel it. Now see here. Circle the things that give you air. இதுல இருந்தெல்லாம் காத்து வரும். இதுல இருந்தா காத்து வருமோ? Circle the things that give you air. So you have to circle it. This we have already done. So next is tick the things that work when there is a wind. காத்து அடிக்கும் போது என்னதெல்லாம் work ஆகும்? Windmill, yacht. These are all work when there is wind. Next, color the things that can be filled with air. So for balloon you're filling the air, you're blowing air. Balloon la kaathu ஊதுறோம்லாமா, so you're filling air. Filling air. Then for kite, then for tire. See here, here also you're filling air. Next, After air, water. So see here, we need water to live. So what is the use of the water? You know the uses of water. For what purposes water is used? It is used for cooking, drinking, then it is used for washing, used for washing. Water is used for cooking, drinking, washing. Then for many purposes we use water. So from where do we get water? Water namakku enga irundhu varudhu? What are the sources of water? Water enga irundhu varudhu? From where do you get water? So do you know from where do you get water? Sources of water. தண்ணி எங்கெல்லாம் இருந்து வருதுமா? From where do you get water? Rain. மழை பெய்யும் போது you get water. Okay. Then river. Rain, river. Okay. See here we get water. What are the sources of water? Sources na தண்ணி எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்குது நமக்கு? Rain, river, then well, கிணறு. கிணறுல இருந்து sea, pond, குளத்துல இருந்து lake. Okay. See here from all these we get water. So water, we need water to live. Water is essential. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing and for many activities. Water நமக்கு நிறைய தேவைப்படுது. மம்மி நிறைய யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கல்ல, வாட்டர் எதுக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றீங்க உங்க வீட்ல எதுக்கெல்லாம் வாட்டர் யூஸ் பண்றீங்கன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். So water is very very important. ரொம்ப முக்கியம் நமக்கு. அந்த வாட்டர் தண்ணி நமக்கு எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்குது? What is the source of water? Rain. Okay. Rain. மழை பெய்யும் போது தண்ணி வருது. River. ஆத்துல இருந்து தண்ணி வருது. Well. கிணறு. Wellனா கிணறு. Sea. கடல். Next pond, lake, குளம். இதுல இருந்து எல்லாத்துலயும் we get water. These are the sources of water. Okay, children. So till this you revise. Till this you revise tomorrow. Okay. Okay. After this, see here. Now, what you should do is you take your English to note. Okay, you take your English to note. We have learned the 2-letter words. See here, we have already learned 8 2-letter words. Okay, see here. am, am, an, and, as, at, at. Okay, am, am, an, and, as, at, at. Okay, now next you are going to learn. Next also we have learned 2-letter words B-E-B, H-E, he, M-E, me, W-E-V. Okay, see here, these are the 8 letters we have learned till now. Am, an, as, at, be, he, me, we. Okay, these are the 8 2-letter words we have learned still now. So what you should do is, so if I give a dictation, how? See, you have to close your note. I'll be giving you a dictation. Dictation means, so you take your rough note. You take your rough note. Okay, you open that page. Tomorrow you have to write a dictation in this page. How you will write dictation? So put number 1. Okay, so I'll give you. I'll tell you to write one word. So you have to write that word. Okay, so if I ask you to write an, so now I'm telling, write an means you should write number 1 and write an. Okay, write an. Next, he. If I'm telling you to write e, you should write he, he. Okay, you only should write the spelling. I'll tell the word. நான் உங்கள்ட்ட வேர்டு சொல்லுவேன். மிஸ் என்ன வேர்டு? 8 words நம்ம படிச்சுக்கிறோம்ல, 2-letter words. Now 8 words la edavadhu or word solluve, you have to write the correct spelling. Adil number potu correct ah eludum. Next, at. At means at, at. Okay, V, W-E-V, like that till 8 you have to write a dictation tomorrow. Okay, so till 8 you have to write a dictation. So be thorough with that words, 8 2-letter words. Okay, okay, after that you close your note and now see here, this is the tens and ones column. See here, now I'm going to tell you to write the numbers from 11 to 20 in this column. How will you write 11 to 20? So if I'm giving you a test, so I'm telling you write from 11 to 20 in this tens and ones column means how will you write? The tens ones column la neenga 11 la irundhu 20 varaikku எழுதணும். எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? How will you start writing? எப்படி start பண்ணுவீங்க? 1 1 11. Okay, below the T it should come. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7. So I'm not having space here. I'm writing here 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 2 0 20. Okay, children, till 20. I told you to write till 20. No. See here, if I'm giving you a test, write from 11 to 20 means this is a tens and ones column. Tens and ones column la ipdi potu from 11 1 1 11 1 to 12 இப்படி தான் நீங்க எழுதணும். Tens and ones column la till 20. Okay, so from 1 la irundhu 50 varaikku we have learned. So 50 varaikku you should write in this tens and ones column. Okay, next is, see here, see before, after and between numbers. So we have learned before, after and between numbers. So I'll give you a number. Now a number kudupen ungalta, you should write the answer for it. See here, now see here, what is this number? 7. So I have given a dash here, or dash potirken miss. So I'll write like this. See here, 7 kaduthu enna varum? 7 after what number will come? 8. So neenga vandu 8 nu ezhudum. Okay, next, see here, this is number 1 to 12. So what number will come here, children? 1 3 13. You have to write like this. நீங்க எப்படி எழுதணும்? So before number na miss வந்து முன்னாடி dash போட்டிருப்பேன். Okay, see here, முன்னாடி dash போட்டிருப்பேன். See here, now see here, what is this number? 5. 5 before, 5 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன number வரும்? 4. 10. 10 before, 10 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன number வரும்? 9. So you have to write like this. Okay, you have to write like this. Then between numbers வந்து easy, that is 15 dash 17. Okay, so 15, after 15 ஒரு dash இருக்கு, அதுக்கு அப்புறம் 17 இருக்கு. So 15 க்கு அடுத்து என்ன வரும்? 1 6 16. So before number, after number and between numbers. So you have to be thorough. If I give you any numbers means you should write it. Okay, so what is your homework today is you revise your EVS. So you revise your EVS and you complete this. See here in this note, Tamil note. See here in the Tamil note, you complete till this page. See here till this page. Page number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 you complete it. Okay, children. 1 and 2 ஈனா அன்னைக்கு நம்ம படிச்சோம். ஈனா எல்லாமே படிச்சாச்சு. So till here you complete it. Okay, children. So we shall meet tomorrow. So thank you, children. We'll meet tomorrow. Take care.